Welcome to the Designing Emergency Shelters course by Open Online Academy. My name is Ivan Shumkov. I'm an architect and professor based in New York and founder of the Open Online Academy. In this course, we'll focus on emergency shelters that would help millions of people all over the world have a safer, a better, sturdier, and more comfortable home for them and for their families in times of natural disaster and recovery and also civil wars. We'll focus on different areas around the world which will help us explore what are the basic conditions of inhabitations and how they depend on the different climates. For example, we'll look at natural disasters as, for example, the one in the Philippines, the Typhoon Haiyan, which happened in November 2013. We'll also look at the earthquake in Haiti, maybe the one in Japan, in Fukushima. We'll also look at the flood in Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, which happened in the beginning of 2014. These are the natural disasters as earthquakes, typhoons, landslides, droughts where people don't have enough water so they have to evacuate their cities, and in general anything that is caused by natural phenomena. As you know, because of global warming and climate change, there are more and more of these events that are happening right now. The oceans are rising, so there will be entire communities that will be flooded and they need our help. On the other side, we'll look at civil wars, for example, the one that is happening in Syria, in Iraq, in Afghanistan, some conflicts in Latin America, and we'll try to understand what causes those problems and how they can be solved through our designs. The course will take 5 weeks, in which we'll go gradually from research on the causes of these problems. We'll do research on precedents for shelters that have been successful or unsuccessful and try to learn something from them. And then we'll start with the design of the actual shelters. We'll go from the schematic design of the shelter, then aggregation of these shelters into clusters and communities. Then we'll go gradually into the design development and construction drawings of these shelters. In the end of the course, an international jury will select the best projects, and those will be featured in publications and in exhibits. The shelters, some of them will be built as prototypes in places like the Philippines, where we already have agreements. We are also working on collaboration with the UN and trying to implement some of them in different parts of the world where they have jurisdictions and they are directly involved into the rebuilding and solutions of these problems. We will also exhibit the projects at the United Nations in December of 2014. So the best projects that come out of this course will be featured in the gallery space, in the exhibition space of the UN, where thousands of people would be able to see them during 2 weeks. And we'll also organize an international conference or resilient in emergency architecture where we'll speak about these projects. So this is an exciting opportunity for you to be part of our international community. We look forward to working with you. We have a great team of really qualified, passionate professors who will be giving you feedback. We have consultants from different organizations and NGOs who will be part of the project also with their feedback and advice. We invite you to join our community, to find people to work with and to create teams with them. Teams of architects, engineers, humanitarian workers, designers, or anyone who is interested in this topic and is willing to contribute to these solutions. Thank you for being part of the course. My name is Ivan Shumkov, and I'm very honored and happy to be your professor during this course, and look forward to seeing you online in real time in our virtual meetings every Saturday, or here in New York if you visit my city. Thank you.